Hi guys, so today we are here for a look with a new palette. This palette is the one from Glamlite, the Happy Hour collection, and this is the wine palette. I've already played once with the Dirty Martini palette, and this is the first time using this palette in here. This palette arrived broken. You can see that this pen is a little bit broken, but I have all the eyeshadow in here. I think I will throw the pieces of eyeshadow away and keep the palette as it is, just because it's a small okay, it's not so small, but I have so many palettes that it's not a big issue for me. And since everything was packed very well, so it's a pity, but I mean, it's not their fault. I'm sure that they did everything they can to pack everything the best. I'm looking for my eyeshadow primer. Okay, here it is. Okay, so I was saying, just let's start applying this eyeshadow base from Fenty. This is the one I love the most, actually. So here we are. We can okay, I don't know what we can do. Okay, just let me put away the. Okay, we will start with this shade here. This is a very light purpley lavender shade. Let's start with this one, just to set the eye primer. I did a look yesterday with the Dirty Martini one, and the green I used as a base was so dark, so pigmented, so oh, I didn't like the look actually. But when I look at the mirror in the evening, I was ready to remove my makeup, and I look at the makeup. The makeup was so stunning actually. So I think I didn't like at first because it was a very impact makeup look, and okay, that was okay. I'm staying at home. It's raining outside, so where do you want to go? No, nowhere actually. And I'm alone with the dogs and my daughter, so we are without the car, because if I would have had, okay, too difficult. If I would have had, I think that's correct. If I have had the car, maybe we would have gone to the mountains back to the city, so they are just 15 minutes from here, just to have a walk in the forest. And the rain was not so heavy. It was just a little bit of rain, so you know, you can walk in the forest even if it's raining. Okay, I will apply a little bit of this shade here in the crease. Ooh, this is so pigmented. All of these shadows are so pigmented. You could not think about when taking the product on the brush, but they're so. I just put the brush on the pen. Oh my god, this is so heavy too. Today again, I did the same mistake. Okay, I tried to take a little bit less of product, but I need to do the same things I did on the other eye. So, oh my god, this is my first time with Glamlite. This is the first collection, the first palettes I bought from this brand. And oh my god, this is so good. I don't know if this is considered Mazo stop it. This is, I pick up a clean brush just to blend a little bit. This is considered a cheap brand, because you know the shipping fees to Italy, these are so high, so high, that I could not consider this as a cheap brand, because I mean the shipping fees are like the cost of a palette, and if you buy more than 2 palettes, the shipping fees are around 60 and something dollars. So they are very expensive, very expensive. Okay, I'm just blending everything, just to I don't know why, I don't know to do what, but that was too much for me. I have okay. I think it's much better on this side. So let's do the same on the other eye. What's on my face? On my face I have the new birthday skin primer for Glam. I'm testing this one. I did the wear test first impression video, and it was amazing. I'm wearing the double wear from Estee Lauder. The shade is Ivory Nude. I have the Moonlight contour shade called Hypno. The blush is from Catrice, is a peachy one. The powder is from Illamasqua, is a translucent powder, and I haven't put any highlighter yet because I'd like to see the look first and then put an highlighter. My brows, I have the Nabla Brow Pot in Venus. Okay, I think here we should be quite nice now. Okay, so let's go ahead. I will apply a little bit of this shadow stick from Beauty Bake. This is a collaboration with Disney. I don't think this one have the name. This is from Jungle Book. It's called Jungle Sky, something similar. I will apply a little bit of this one on my lid. These shadow sticks are stunning. They are very good. You can wear them alone and they will not crease on you. And above, I'd like to apply. Okay, this looks quite similar, even in real actually. This is a little bit more bluish shift, and this is a little bit more purplish shift. So I will go with Napa, the Napa Valley. Wrong brush, I guess. Let's try another one. Like, where are you? Something like this. I hope this is clean. I need to clean my brushes now. Okay, much better. You need to be quite fast, because these shadow sticks are really good, but they dry fast, as you cannot imagine. But guys, you will become crazy to remove them. They are waterproof. They are great. I love them. I love them so much. I bought the whole set. There were two different sets of this shadow stick, and they are gorgeous. Even though if you do not like the shade, pick them up and use them as an eyeshadow primer. They are stunning. They will not crease at all, I will assure you. These are stunning. Okay, I'd like to apply something on the lower lash line and we are done. Maybe we can go a little bit dark with this one. Okay, as mascara I'm still using my Toy Boy from Diego della Palma. On the waterline I've applied just a gel liner from AliExpress in the lavender shade. This is one of the dog that's knocking at the door. Okay, here we are on my lips. Okay, now let's get to the highlighter. First, I think I will go with the pinky shade of this highlighter. This is from Glam Shop. My brush for the highlighter is here, and the pinky shade is this one. Look how beautiful it is. And I will apply a little bit of this shade too in the inner corner. Just pick up a small brush. I have everything, it's dirty, why? I need to find a different position for the mirror, or maybe I need to find a different mirror, because this one is, this is not too big, but how it's built, it's too heavy. I don't know how to explain. It doesn't match the arrangement of the makeup table. Okay, I'd like to pair everything with this Irish cream from Glamlite. This is quite light. Just a nude shade. Okay, so this is the final look. I love how the eyes yeah, I don't know if you can see, but you have a lot of reflect in this purpley shimmery shade. Yeah, this is so beautiful, really. Shadow was so pigmented. But as the first time with Glamlite, I'm very, very happy and satisfied. I hope you enjoy, and if you do, please be back on my channel, and see you soon. Bye guys.